Hi everyone, welcome to the little kids room. It's a complete disaster in here today, so I thought I would take you along with me while I get it all cleaned up and looking better. Today I decided to try something new by using my laundry basket here as a toy collection bin where I can just do parts of the room at a time and collect all of the things that don't belong in that area, and then just kind of move my way around the room to start putting things away. Now, you might notice that this room has more than one door, and that's because this is actually our front living room, but we just live in a small 2-bedroom house, and so our front living room is actually what we use for our little kids' bedroom. So it has a front door and a regular door into the rest of the house. This is where we keep pretty much the majority of our children's books on this big bookshelf here, and it's where we keep all of the little kids' toys. They can bring their toys out into the living room during the day, but then at quiet time and before bed, we always try to put all of the toys back in their bedroom so that they aren't all over the house. So we use these bins, and I got them when my middle child, my son, was born, and I thought they would work out really well for toy storage, but it turns out that my little girl, who's right now 18 months old, she just really likes to empty them. So they're almost always empty with all of the little toys all over the floor. So as you can imagine, I'm having to sort them and reorganize quite frequently. Once I got into the flow of reorganizing each of the bins and going through my basket here to take stuff out of it and put into the bins, I kind of realized that there was just so much in my basket that it wasn't really working that well. But I kept on with it and did my best. I decided to try this because it seems like usually when I'm picking up the kids' toys, I'm constantly moving around the room and picking a few things up here and there and walking across the room again. So I thought it might save me a little bit of time, but I'm not sure that I will do it again like this. You'll have to let me know down in the comments how you go about putting kids' toys away and things like that. I've tried to stay pretty minimal as far as how many toys we have, and we do a little bit of toy rotation where I have a bin that goes up into our attic when we don't need those toys right now. And it's not a very big bin, it's maybe twice the size of this laundry basket, but it definitely helps with just keeping the right amount of toys out at one time. But the other part about this bedroom that's challenging is that there's no closet, so we can't just put things in the closet and store them there. Everything has to be kind of out in the open. Of course, things are always getting shoved under beds and cribs and dressers, so it's kind of a challenge sometimes to keep everything picked up, along with the fact that I'm trying to teach my little kids not to shove stuff under things when they are quote unquote cleaning up. So now it's time to go ahead and start vacuuming. I like to just work my way around the room a little bit at a time. The vacuum that I'm using here is a Ryobi vacuum. My husband really wanted to get this because when the battery runs out, you can just switch it out for a new battery, and we have several batteries between the house and his shed area. So that way I can not have to worry about charging it in between. I can just switch out the battery and keep on going, which is really nice. But I do have to say that this vacuum, the handle part is a lot heavier than my old vacuum, which was a Dyson stick vacuum. I like it okay. So now I'm going to start putting everything away again. I have put some things away as I go around the room, but then of course I've collected more things from underneath beds and cupboards. So I'm sorting into these bins. I have lots of Legos and then some just random little people toys, and I also have some fruits and vegetables that go with our wooden food set. So I'm just trying to get as much stuff out of the basket as I go so that I don't have to get up and move around quite so much. If we haven't met before, my name is Jerilyn. I'm a homeschool mom of 3 kids. They are 10, 3, and 1, and we have been homeschooling this is our 6th year currently. And here on my channel, I like to share all about everything homeschool mom life related. So curriculum, reviews, organization, planning, and some cleaning videos here and there as well. I hope you will go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and click the like button if you enjoy content like this. So here I am at the end of my basket, and these things I just need to put away in another room of the house. So while I'm doing that, I will show you what the finished room looks like. Everything is mostly put away and vacuumed. I didn't make my son's bed any more than he already had. So this is how I like it to look before quiet time. It doesn't always happen like that, but today we managed to get everything picked up. Thank you so much for cleaning with me today, and we'll see you next time.